folks, welcome back to Sasha Crochet. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Happy to have you here visiting our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to crochet a basic beanie using this tweed yarn I had laying around. It's a 4 medium worsted weight yarn, and I will be using a 5.5 millimeter hook. Please hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. We are a new channel trying to get into the algorithm and need all the help we can get. Now let's get started. All right, I'm gonna start off. You can start this one or two ways. I don't really use the magic ring. A lot of people like to use it. I don't like it that much, so I barely use it. I'll just start off with 4 chains. And now that I have my 4 chains, I'll go back into the first chain, slip stitch through, creating a circle around, whatever you want to call it. From here, I'll chain 2, yarn over, and then into the center of that circle you just created by closing up that end. You can see it is a small circle, but it'll fit. What you're trying to do will fit. And you're going to put 10, you can do double crochets. I think I'm going to do half doubles. You can put 10 half double crochets into the center of the circle. If you're not familiar with the half double crochet, I do have a video on this channel. Go ahead and check it out. It's a pretty quick, simple video to follow. That's 3. So I have the 10 half double crochets in the circle. You can pull it a little tight with your tail that you had left over, and then you want to slip stitch into the first half double. Your chain will not count as a stitch with this pattern. Once you've slip stitched, chain 2. And now you're going to put 2 half double crochets into every stitch. This is the beginning of an increase. You're putting 2 half doubles into each stitch around. So you should have 2 half doubles in each stitch space. And by the time you reach the other side, you should have 20 half doubles. So now that I have my 20 half doubles in place, I'm going to do a slip stitch into the first half double of the previous row. Closing it up, chain 2, and half double into the same space. Half double into the next space, which is the second stitch, following with another half double into the second stitch. So this row is going to be a repeat of 1 half double into the first stitch, and then 2 half double into the second stitch. Repeating that around the row, 1 and then 2 into the same stitch. Do that all the way around and meet me back when you have this row complete. So now I've completed that second row of increase where I increased in every second stitch. We're going to finish this row the same as we did the other rows. Slip stitch into that first half double in the previous row, closing it up and chaining 2, moving on to the next row. which we're going to do an increase in every third stitch. So from here, there's a half double into the first stitch, one half double into the second, and then two half doubles into the same space, which is the third stitch. And repeat that all the way around. One half double in the first, one half double in the second, and two half doubles in the third. Repeating that until you have this row complete. Meet me back at the end of the row. Putting my second half double into that last stitch. We've completed that third row of increase. Going into that first half double with the slip stitch, closing out that row. On to the fourth row. The fourth row is the same. Chaining two, and you're going to increase in every fourth stitch. That's 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth stitch you put 2. 1, 2, create your increase. So it's 3 singles, 3 1 half double crochets, and then 2 half double crochets in the fourth stitch. Go all the way around. Meet me back at the end of the row. Closing up the fourth, or you can call it the fifth row of increase, slip stitch, same thing. All right, so we went into the fourth one. I think I'm gonna do one more row of increase, which is gonna be the fifth row. Starts the same way, and the increase is in every fifth stitch. So you put you put 1 half double in each stitch until you get to the fifth stitch. Show you. There's 1. You repeat that 4 times, 1 in each stitch. So you got your 4. When you get to the fifth stitch, you just put 2 instead of 1 into the same space. And you do that all the way around. I've completed my last row of increase. I only went 5 rows, and from here I'm going to put a half double crochet into each stitch. I'm going to do that all the way around, and in fact I'm going to do that until I reach the desired length that I want the hat, the beanie, to be. So just carry on with the same pattern. A double crochet, a half double crochet in each stitch all the way around, slip stitch into the first half double, chain 2, and do as many rows as you like till you have the desired length of your beanie. I'll meet you back when it's time to trim the beanie. I've reached the desired length that I want the beanie to be, and now I'm going to trim it. I've already chained 2. And I think I'm going to trim this one with a front post, back post, half double crochets, or yeah, half double crochets. That should be cute. Okay, so we're going to go in underneath from the front of the last half double with a half double, and then for the next stitch go behind the last half double in a row, if that makes any sense. So for the next one, you go underneath the front, and then the one next to it, you go behind it, creating a back post half double. Same thing here. Go underneath the front with a half double, and then behind it for the next one. Repeating that pattern all the way around. I think I'm only going to do it 1 or 2 rows. Do it as many times as you like. And meet me back when you finish this first row. And here's the finished beanie. You can see the trim. I like it. I probably should have went with a different color for the trim so it would stand out more. I don't know. But I enjoyed crocheting the beanie. It was a really simple pattern to follow. Hope you enjoyed it as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.